So today's date is June 8th, and like I said before, we race cars, so we are on our way to the track. So if you can see behind us, I don't know if you can, probably can't, but there's a trailer back there. It's around here somewhere. So, you know, we're driving up to the track, and we stopped to get gas. So they have candy.
Yeah! Nerds! Nerds the best!
Nothing really interesting happens in the car, so I guess we're just gonna go on to the next clip that Haley's gonna be in. Because Haley's pretty great. Isn't that right?
Haley's really boring.
She's not boring.
Not me.
Okay, so we are at the track, and little Miss Haley over here is, you know, doing her thing. And, you know, we're over here in the bathroom waiting for her because it's taking a long time. Oh, all right. Well, I guess we're gonna wait on the golf cart now.
I don't want to like put my arm on it. Ah! It's crazy. I don't want to. And then let them
Hey Ryan, say hello.
Hi.
Do you know what's happening right now?
No.
Me either.
Why?
I don't know.
What are you doing? Stop!
Are you not wearing any pants, Haley?
Yeah, I am. See?
Oh, okay. Also, whose trailer do you want to sleep in?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Because in our trailer, no one's gonna be there, so we can like hang out by ourselves.
Oh my god, and it's like making my feet slippery again. Hold on, give me a second.
Alright.
It's like slippery in my foot. The gas pedal and stuff. It's not great. Go! Go! Go fast! Go fast! I literally just turned. So oh my god, that's a little dog. A little dog.
He's a dog. Okay, we're gonna go see a dog.
I'd be perfectly fine if it wasn't tomorrow.
So, everyone here is being a bunch of idiots because we're going on the racetrack when there's a big animal out there and we don't even know what it is.
I want to pet it! Let's fucking
Idiots.
go!
So,
You're running! He's gonna die for
I'm back.
Jesus, McKenna. That is.
are we going out there again?
Abuse. I don't know. Do you guys want to go back?
Yes.
I don't want to get eaten alive.
I will honestly pet it if you go back.
Honestly?
I will.
What if it freaking goes like?
I will wrestle it. I will honestly wrestle it. Haley,
It's up
go.
to you, Haley. You're the driver.
Do it. I just gotta check my surroundings, see if I see it on the track. Because if it's on the track, I'm turning around. Okay, no, I am not going to drive on the asphalt. I'm driving through the grass because
I'm going on the edge of the track. That's it.
What? On the edge of the track?
That's it.
No, it's not going any faster, McKenna. It's dead or something.
I don't know.
Oh my god, I don't know what to do.
Let's go. I'll walk out on the track.
No, I'm not going.
Record it, I will go first.
I am not going.
Guys, why are you afraid of nature?
Because nature carries diseases.
Let's just go. I will walk out on the track. I want you guys behind me though.
I'm not walking.
Okay. No, we're gonna sit on the golf cart behind
Sit
them.
on the golf cart.
Amanda just said she wants rabies.
You want rabies?
Yeah, I want rabies.
Rabies kills you.
I know, I don't. My god, these children are dumb. Okay, Connor, get off. Liar. We're gonna follow behind you. Okay. Connor, do you have your phone? We're gonna follow behind. I'm not.
Guarantee you're going to
I'm not. I'm just following behind you like you asked.
Stop singing.
I'm a chainsaw. Shut up, children. I'm trying to watch him get eaten alive.
Yeah.
Hurry up, Carmen.
Hold on, drive closer. You can't see him in the light.
I just heard something.
I like how I'm not looking forward. I'm just looking. My biggest threat is that.
Find the thing. I'm staying.
No, stay up here.
I'm not staying up there, you dumb fuck.
I don't think that's it.
You don't think it's Pennywise?
Okay, it's one of those two.
It's one of those two.
It's one of those two black dots.
Black dots. Got
You
it.
are
Bro,
going
we're
to
not-
die.
if something moves above me, I want you guys to tell me.
Boy, it's moving.
Where?
Alright, this works. I just haven't spammed it a shit ton of times.
Pardon?
Alright.
Actually, see that battery?
Oh shit.
Okay, we're like, come on, Connor, get looking because I'm gonna book it if you see it.
Okay, I'm trying to turn on my flashlight.
I don't want to die tonight.
There was eyes over there. Get on, Connor.
Oh, that's right.
I'm gonna say cheese, dog.
You want to say cheese?
Cheese.
Go.
Skittles.
It's there.
Oh?
Good enough. Okay, can somebody watch behind us, please? I'm trying.
I am.
Currently fucking around with my
I swear to God, I just saw eyes. I'm trying to find them again.
Cute.
Yeah, it's over.
Oh, look at that eyebrow. That's the best eyebrow I've ever seen.
Wait, what?
Look at
The
me.
fuck?
This is what you do on the bus when you have to ride a bus for 40 minutes. God, I'm gonna die today.
Probably.
So if you see this video, you'll know I'm dead.
I'm gonna post it either way, so.
You'll know I'm dead.
Okay, Haley's dead.
I am dead. I am always dead. Is it by the off ramp?
Somewhat, yeah.
It is.
Somewhat.
Yeah, there's no windshield. I can't talk.
Right.
What if it jumps through and attacks me?
Throw it back here. I'll hold it by its.
I'm not throwing.
By its ear?
Yeah. I know. I'll just hold it by its whiskers. It's the most sensitive part of its body.
You know what? There's nothing even out there. You know.
You're probably gonna get your hand bitten off before you even get to that.
There's nothing even on the track. Like.
I'm wrestling those fucking boards.
What if it's not a fox? What if it's a raccoon?
Okay, Connor. Here you go.
A little bit further, please.
Fuck.
I kind of saw something as we were coming on, so I would like to have to walk back this way towards it.
Okay, get off. Get off and get it.
Okay, huge. Stop.
What's over there?
I can't go any I gotta pee my pants.
It's a wolf.
It's a wolf. I need to put shine
It
your
shows
light
how
back
big
then.
as one.
Shine your light back. Did you actually see it?
Yes.
What does it look like?
Gray, long snout, bushy tail.
Wolf. I think you're making things up.
$500 says I'm not.
Pardon?
Also,
Well, we're
you
not
have to go on
going
the
over
fence
the
to join me.
Pardon?
If you hop the fence as well, guarantee it, you'll probably see it.
I don't want to see it.
Hi, Haley.
It was fucking
Hey.
Haley!
Shut up! I heard something growling.
Shut up.
I know, that's bad. I was like, am I the only one that's hearing that right
I
now? But I
didn't-
can't go any faster.
Not hop the fence.
I can't go any faster. Oh my God, it's dying.
So, we didn't die. We lived to see another day.
Yeah. Well, I'm so red.
Probably
Why
got
is this? I don't burn, McKenna. I think it's from laughing so much.
So now we're just chilling. Going to bed. It's like, I don't even know, probably 11 o'clock. 12:08! So I was a bit off.
Okay, let's play double dare, triple dare.
Double dare, triple dare.
Me?
Yep.
Triple dare.
Triple dare. I'm still really bad at these.
I'm always bad.
How many chickens?
One.
One chicken?
Yeah. Because we're not going to play for very long. Just little, you know.
You said triple, right?
Yeah. She's bad at making decisions.
Your turn.
Okay, first I have to investigate what's in these cupboards.
That is an empty closet. The one beside it has my clothes. This one has Eden, or this one has Quinn's, and that one doesn't have any.
Oh, I found McKenna's clothes, guys.
I told you. I didn't lie.
She lies a lot.
No, I don't. I do not lie. Not that much.
Like, she's lying to me that she doesn't like this guy, even though she does.
I didn't say I didn't like him. I said I didn't
You
love
said
him.
you said I don't know. It's 12:15. We're gonna get in bed. We have 9 hours to sleep. That is. I'm calling someone. That I just called Kaden. I think it was. Wait, where's the number? 2155. I want to see if it's Kaden or Atlee. It's one of them. I know that it's Kaden.
How do you know?
Because this is Atlee's number. And then I know Kaden. I don't like have him in my phone.
Put him in your phone then.
No.
Why?
He has me in his phone and I don't even know why. I don't even know how we got my numbers. So that's great. He just went on me FaceTime me one day. Okay, we're gonna pretend like I didn't call him and hopefully he doesn't call back. I don't even know who that is. Like,
That's my dad.
oh, so that'd be you. Because you called me on his phone one time. You did call me on his phone one time.
When was that? February 1st.
Yeah. Okay. Shit. I'm dying. Okay, wait. What was I doing? Oh my.
You have to go and investigate.
No, I said I used my
Oh.
chicken. Wait,
Yep.
what was I just doing?
Replay.
She's lying to me that she doesn't like this guy, even though she does.
I didn't say I didn't like him. I said I didn't
You
love
said
him.
you said I don't know. What was I just doing? I was on here for something.
You went on
Oh,
something.
text messages.
Shoot. I knew what it was. I was hoping you wouldn't catch on.
Okay, I just forgot. So I'm gonna read out all the text
Don't.
messages.
No,
I'm
no, no,
gonna
no.
read out all the text messages. So I was like, we were sitting and we were playing Double Dare,
Yeah,
Triple Dare.
but
I was like, do you still like him? He was like, I don't know. And she was like, I don't know. So she does. See, I'm not stupid. She's smiling. Double Dare, Triple Dare,
Triple Dare.
Triple Dare. This really hurts. Triple Dare. I'm a beautiful human being. I'm just kidding. I'm ugly. Anyway,
You aren't though, but alright.
I triple dare you. No, you're just gonna get mad at me. Okay, I triple dare you to.
No, I want to at least hear what the other one was.
No.
It's not the dare, but I want to hear what it is.
I dare you to tell him you like him.
I'm not telling him that.
See, I told you. You wouldn't. Anywho, I triple dare you to run out there and get eaten by the wolf.
What?
I dare you to run out on the track. I'll videotape you and then come back by the back scratch. Like you have to go right by the wall.
I'm not going by that.
Why? That's
I'm not going near the track. I'm not going near the track.
That was a little wink there if you didn't know.
I'm not going by the track. You can't do that in the future. I will not go. I promise you I won't leave the trailer.
Okay.
Double dare or triple dare?
Triple.
I triple dare you to
I'm great.
go outside. Just not that far, but just outside the trailer. And start doing a weird dance and be like, hey, sexy lady! And then do your version of the flossing.
Okay.
You gonna do it?
Yeah, let's
Okay, let's go.
got it right over here. Over here, McKenna. Okay, ready? Ready?
Yeah, right there.
You filming? Ready?
Yep.
Hey, sexy lady. My voice doesn't go. Those were eyes go. I gotta get my shoe off. Ow!
My knee.
Go. Those were eyeballs. I can't yell any louder, McKenna. Oh my god, that hurts so bad.
I hit my stomach off the mattress trying to jump up here, and then I hurt really bad.
I smashed whatever this is called.
Your shin?
Yeah, off the step.
Ow. You ran so fast. Well, let's not go outside anymore. I think that's the conclusion you come to. So your turn.
Hold on. Dare, double dare, triple dare.
Triple.
But then you wouldn't in the trailer. Excuse me, just because Connor was there, you wouldn't.
Yeah, pretty much.
She won't kiss him, she won't hug him, she won't do nothing.
I did end up hugging him though.
No, he hugged her, so don't give me none of that.
I hand hugged him, if that counts.
Oh, you did this. Okay, I jump in there, you know what? I always do that. No, like, I jump in there, you too. I don't know. Excuse me? Whoa.
Kenny!
What is that? I think that's a fire.
It is, but I don't know how to shut it off.
How is there's a fire? Father, get over here.
Oh, fuck, it's really loud. Shut off!
Hello, look over there. Daddy, there's a fire alarm going off or something. I don't know, but there's this really loud beeping, so you need to get your butt over here.
I think I got it. I think I shut it off.
I don't know, McKenna. Is there a fire? I don't know. There's a fire alarm going off. Is that a carbon monoxide?
I don't know. I'll read
We
it.
don't know anything, Father. Okay. Yeah, bye.
It says alarm. Ah! That was.
Wait, look over there. Is there a fire or something? Like, open the door. Feel the door at the back
I'm really
of your hand.
scared.
Feel the door at the back of your hand. Back of your hand, you dumb.
It's cold.
Look. Then open it and look. He said he's coming.
Do you want to go over there? To your trailer?
No, he's coming.
Yeah, but do you want to go to your trailer?
No, I'm sleeping here.
Okay.
Why do you want to go to my trailer now?
Because your trailer doesn't do that.
You're fine. I think it's just carbon dioxide.
Oh, shut the. I don't know. This is fun.
Great. I don't know what it is.
Your dad's over there.
I know. I don't know what it is.
I don't know either. We'll update you in a minute. Hold on. Update.
I almost died.
I have a headache. And we
Why do you
shut it
have a
off.
headache?
From that stupid beeping.
It's like beep 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 beep. Yeah,
was really
I just
annoying.
told my father. It was because of the propane.
Probably wasn't. I think the propane just shut it off.
No, the propane didn't just shut it off because it was because of the propane.
What did the propane do?
There was obviously a furnace on or something. Like there was obviously heat on.
Hmm.
That's what the freaking propane does.
I don't even know what propane
She doesn't know jack.
Anyways, you want to continue our game?
No, it's 12:30. It's 12:40 actually.
So are we going to go to bed?
Yeah, cause see, it's like basically 12:40.
Okay, let's go to bed. So should we do a question of the day? Because I don't do questions of the day.
Sure.
Okay, question of the day.
Have you ever seen a coyote? Or have you ever been to a racetrack? I have made up 2 questions of the day.
Okay.
Have you ever been to a racetrack? Have you ever seen a coyote?
Have you ever seen a coyote at a racetrack?
Yeah, there's 3 questions.
I'm going to answer one of them. Comment down below because we want to know. The question of the day is...
There's 3.
The questions of the day are...
Have you ever been to a racetrack? Have you ever seen a coyote? And have you ever seen a coyote at a racetrack?
Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow morning, bright and early.